2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, adjustable pedals, plug-in electrical fast charge, auto climate control, keyless entry. This is a top-rated dealer. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?